Hi, my name is Caroline Eskew, and this is for English 102 Professor Wyatt's class. And the story and character that we read this semester that I felt I connected to the most was Edith Wharton's The Other Two, and the character specifically Mr. Waythorn. And I feel that I connected to this story and this character so much because it felt like it had the most realistic experiences to real life, specifically with just the way that Mr. Waythorn warred with his emotions and his perception of people so much over the course of the story, and how specifically with his view of his new wife Alice, and how he had such a jaded and loving view of her in the beginning, and then began to see different sides of her and progressively change his opinion of Alice. And then ultimately the way when this story ended, after going through so many experiences of just awkward interactions with her past husbands, and just going through some difficult situations and starting to question his new life and the decisions that he made. But ultimately, when he's put in an uncomfortable and difficult decision in the end of the story, he chooses love, and he chooses acceptance, and he decides to just embrace Alice and all of the baggage that she brings with her into his life, and just chose to embrace her and embrace this unconventional family that they now have. And I just really connected to and related to that, because I felt that it was something that, maybe not specifically the same situations, but the emotions that Mr. Waythorn goes through is something that we can all relate to. And we all have moments where we have situations that change our opinion of people, but I respected and connected to the fact that in the end he chose to love her and their new family, and to accept the situation and embrace it. And that's honestly what I connected to the most in this story, and the story really just had the most lasting impact on me, and something that I connected to and remembered the most. And so that is the story that I chose.